Hello guys and welcome. This is gonna be my first video of this kind because I want to make videos where I'm gonna be talking about and showing you how to build some more complex stuff, like for example this wind up gun. If you want to have a minigun that will, for example, wind up, that will just shoot right away when you activate it, but it will take some time to start shooting like a real life minigun does, or this thing that winds up before it shoots. I'm gonna show you how to build it. Let's remove this and start all over again. First we're gonna need a platform, probably this big, should be enough. We're gonna need a few things like this bearing. So first we put down this. It's important that you put this here. Ah, no, not this. Ah, here we go. We put an engine right here. And we put this all in here to power the engine. Or we just need a switch. No, this guy right here. We have it spinning. Can go one more. Should be good. Let's put these here. Set them to 2 for tactical reasons. Now we need gun. Let's put the guns right here. Just like that. They're all sideways like the left, and I don't like that. Just gonna repeat them. Here we go, getting excited. Now it's the best for us to... I think it's the best for us is gonna be just adding the piece of gun. That was I messed it up. I messed it up very bad. I'm not gonna mess up the outcome. Or I am, because it's no problem. I can just weld it up. Okay, we'll just remove the excess material. Now how to not mess this up? First we got up this in here. It's like a secure this like that. Yeah, see, now I didn't mess up. Remove the excess material. All of that. You can just easily do that by placing this down. Just gonna remove it. Voila. We have launch cakes in every single one of them. So now we just connect a launch cake right. 2 launch cakes, your timer, however you want to put it. Connect this to this, connect this and this, the switch, set our time to, like in the 2 seconds, like in the example one. We connect this to launch cakes. We connect the respective launch cake with something with the sensor. Should be connected. And now it should have this. It's working. It's shooting. It has wind enough. Now we can just stop it and it's gonna by the way, I also doing this. I forgot, I also connect the timer to this. So now it's gonna shoot like that. Now when you drop the switch, it's gonna stop. It's just gonna stop after some time because like it was just slowing down. Then it's gonna need some time to wind up and you can slow down. So like you're shooting it, it winds up, stop, slows down. Same with this thing, it just spins, winds up, can shooting, stop it spins, slows down. That's it guys for this. That's a small tutorial on how to do this. I'm probably gonna make a character with this. Also a small spoiler, maybe it's like a spoiler, like a small thing. I'm planning on making a new product and finally making a second episode of the series where I show different different things that could be useful for everyone in your survival worlds. In the form of a ad, like like a ad, like from television or YouTube, but like in game with some stuff I made for. I think you get what I mean. They will actually do this or not because. Alright, I guess switch has to be on for this to fire. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys, and we're gonna see each other soon, I guess.